Hey my friend, Sam here. So this video is an introduction to a new product called the Airbase by Rescue Essentials. So in terms of the backstory, a friend of mine named Aebhric, he lives in Germany. We connected at a conference called Soma about a year and a half ago. And he said, I'm going to take packing material like this. And he had a straw in one end. And he blew in 3 to 5 times and it expanded. He said, I want to turn that into something that combats hypothermia. Now, mind you, that's not going to help with evaporation, convection, radiation. It just helps with conduction. So it'll slow heat transfer to ground. And my other friend Phil Carey and I saw it. We said, that looks great, let's build it. So my role for the last year and a half has been to do testing and materials selection, helping with dimensions, and also sourcing. And now at last we have this on the market. It's very compact, lightweight. You put it in a pocket, first aid kit, your glove box, a lot of different places. It's packing material. It is, for the life of, I'm a relatively creative guy, but I cannot think of ways to hurt people with this. I challenge you, try to come up with it. It's hard. So this also, most people are not going to be hypothermic when they use this. This is mostly for comfort. I want to see this in airports. People are stuck between flights. They're trying to get through the night on the hard floor. Get your Airbase. I want to see it in gymnasiums for disaster victims. It's a camping mat. It's not going to be as good as your Therm-A-Rest from REI, but it'll help you get through the night. I used one of these just the other day to help at a high school football game. I was sitting there at cold, hard aluminum bleachers with my family. Lay this out. You got 4 butts that are comfortable and normal thermic. It was great. And that actually brings up one of the features. So if I puncture one of these cells, the whole thing doesn't deflate. And what that also means is I can cut this into 4 sections. So if you have 4 butts that don't want to sit near each other, you can give out segments of it, go sit where you want. So anyway, this is a device that just happens to help with hypothermia as well as hyperthermia too. If I want to lie down on hot sand, I put it out on the hot sand and lie down. And you can test this easily. I've done it with ice as well as hot sand, and put your elbows out and you will feel the difference. There is a lot less conduction of heat in either direction because of this. I'd love for this to be between patients and hard backboards. Backboards hurt. Your patients don't love them. Put this in between and just take the edge off. You cut this into a segment and wrap a solution pressure wrap around it, you've got a splint. It's a multi-tool. At the end of the day, this is packing material that happens to help with an awful lot of different things. So, Aebhric, I know you wanted to make a hypothermia prevention device, but you made a multi-tool instead, and I love it. Okay, anybody who uses this, please send me your photos. I want to hear about your alternative uses too. Adult floaties that came up. My kids use them for sparring. The list is long and it's getting longer.